So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about adrenaline and thyroxine. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you will get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge. So adrenaline and thyroxine are two important hormones you need to know about. Although we've seen several other hormones that are also very important. Here, adrenaline prepares you for fight or flight. So adrenaline is a hormone released by the adrenal glands, which are just above the kidney. Adrenaline is released in response to stressful or scary situation. Your brain detects fear or stress and then sends nervous impulse to the adrenal gland, which respond by secreting adrenaline. It gets the body ready for fight or flight by triggering mechanisms that increase the supply of oxygen and glucose to cells in the brain and muscle. For instance, adrenaline increases heart rate, so your body can control the levels of hormones in the blood using a negative feedback system. When the body detects that the level of a substance has gone above or below the normal level, it triggers a response to bring the level back to normal again. Here is an example of just that. Thyroxine is a hormone released by the thyroid gland, which is found in the neck. It plays an important role in regulating the basal metabolic rate, which is the speed at which chemical reactions in the body occur while the body is at rest. So thyroxine is also important for loads of processes in the body, such as stimulating protein synthesis for growth and development. So thyroxine is released in response to thyroid stimulating hormone, which is released from the pituitary gland. So when the level of thyroxine in the blood is higher than normal, the secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone from the pituitary gland is inhibited. Now this reduces the amount of thyroxine released from the thyroid gland. So the level of thyroxine in the blood falls back to normal. And then if the level of thyroxine becomes too low, then the thyroid stimulating hormone again is released. This causes the thyroxine to be released also in response. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.